Alright guys, I'm super excited right now. Since I bought this bike, I've been meaning to do this. Finally, this is gonna happen, guys. I'm gonna show you what I got. Check this out. I got a new exhaust. This is insane. This old pipe, yeah, this thing is huge and bulky and quiet. I needed to switch it up because I want to actually hear the bike, let her breathe. She's all jacked up and ready to go. And then I got this exhaust right here. I think Tosh, or I don't know how to say Tosh. I call it Tosh, but they make the same exhaust, but it's like almost $1,000. But I got this on eBay. We're way cheaper than that, and it's literally like pretty much the exact same thing. Those are the baffles or whatever. We're gonna keep those in there for now. It's this piece, and then basically the hose, and this should sound insane. Awesome quality. Like, I can't wait to throw this thing on. What I think we need to do right here is there's just the bolts up there and on the other side, and we're gonna just pop those off, and then the bolts right here, and this muffler should just slide all the way off, and then we're gonna throw that new one on. I'm gonna do a little sound clip right now just so you guys can hear what it sounds like stock. The cool thing is though that this bike has no cats. I don't have the under tray on, so you can kind of see there's like literally just straight headers, and I think that could be a resonator, but I'm not sure. And then just straight back into the muffler, so it should be way louder without that huge muffler. Let's go ahead and give her a start up. It's in gear still. All right, this is what it sounds like stock. I'll give her a couple of revs. But yeah, basically that's how it sounds like stock. It is kind of loud, but not super loud, so yeah, it's kind of loud, but it's not, when you like rev it up, it's kind of loud, but down low in the RPMs, it's pretty quiet. Let's go ahead and take this baby off and then throw this thing on, and can't wait to get this new exhaust on, guys. This is about to be sick. Okay guys, so this was a bit of a little hassle. I pretty much got the old exhaust off. There was this little butterfly valve thing that's connected to the bike that I had to like unscrew and figure out how to get off, but I think I pretty much got it. It's off right there, and now we could just, I think we could just pop this exhaust right off. It weighs like a good like 20 pounds, 25 pounds. This thing is heavy, my friend. Alright guys, let's do a little, look how clean the bike looks too without that big thing underneath. Just right there, that's the exhaust. Let's give it a start up, honestly, you know? Let's see how loud this is. This is gonna be bad. Alright, let's hear this. That's so loud. That's great. Let's give it some rev. That's crazy. Alright guys, let's throw the new exhaust on. That was loud. Yeah guys, as you heard, that's stupid loud. It's probably going to be pretty loud with this thing on too. That's the old, that's the new. Let's throw on the new one. So this is about to be insane, guys. Look at this. It's going to be like, that's crazy. Okay guys, so the exhaust is like, I got the old one off, but the exhaust is pretty much halfway on. It's not fully bolted in or anything. The bottom is. Check this out, guys. Look. That looks so insanely fresh. The mufflers are still in there. Look at that, guys. That looks so sharp. Makes the bike look insane. Look at that. Let's give her a little start up, even though she's not like fully bolted. Let's see what it sounds like. Alright, you guys ready? First start up. Oh my god. That sounds insane. Different bike. Looks so sick. Let's give it some revs. Sounds insane. It moved a bit. A little hot. We're gonna bolt it in and then I'll show you guys when it's all done. It sounds insane. Let me give you guys a little. Let me give you guys some revs. Alright guys, so it's been like a week or two, but I got all the proper hardware to mount the exhaust and I needed new bolts and stuff, but this is pretty much how it's mounted up for now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably paint these brackets black just so they blend in, but other than that, the exhaust is like tucked up in there. It's pretty solid in there, doesn't move, so looks really fresh. So look at that, guys. Look at that. But yeah guys, the exhaust looks super fresh. The bike looks very sharp with the new exhaust, and I'm gonna make a new video with a sound clip and like POV with like a moto vlog of riding and how it sounds while like actually like revving this thing out. But other than that, the new winglets and the new exhaust, the bike is just coming along, guys. Here's the bike and here's the new exhaust fully mounted up. Insane, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, and woo!